Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate real estate investments with Fundrise, full guide step by step clearly. To automate real estate investments with Fundrise, start by visiting the Fundrise website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from Fundrise. Once your email is confirmed, log into your account. Complete your investor profile by answering questions about your financial situation and investment goals. Review the available investment options Fundrise offers, such as REITs and e-funds. Choose an investment that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Decide on the amount you want to invest. Select the duration of your investment, typically ranging from 3 to 5 years. Set up automated contributions by linking your bank account. Decide how often you want to make contributions, such as monthly or quarterly. Fundrise will provide a dashboard where you can monitor your investments. Utilize the tools available on the platform to automate reinvestments of dividends. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals.
Adjust your investments as needed based on your financial circumstances or market conditions. Stay informed with updates from Fundrise regarding your investments and the real estate market. This streamlined process allows for hands-off management of your real estate investments. Enjoy the benefits of automation while diversifying your investment portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps.
Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.